Welcome to this video that shows us how to share a OneDrive folder with a program or agency. So we'll make sure they have editing permissions and we're sharing it with a specific person. Let's go ahead and get started and see how to do it. So this video demonstrates how to go ahead and create a OneDrive folder that you're going to share out. So I have this folder called UFA OneDrive inside my OneDrive. And inside of it, I have an example test for video. So this could be a program, this could be an agency, however you want to look at it. So I have a voucher template in there. So what I'll do is now share it with an email address I have access to. I'll hit share, choose it to specific people, change it to can edit, and hit apply. Now I'm going to go ahead and type in the email address here and say, hi. Here is your voucher. And hit send. Wonderful.